This is the first desktop 3D printer of Lugo Labs. We designed each model with a vision in mind, always a step forwards, always better than the last. Print quality has improved. Usability has improved. Even if the materials are developed in various ways, Lugo is always the most efficient. Introducing Lugo G3. Most dual extruder desktop 3D printers face technical limits, such as slow printing time and ineffective space utilization. Lugo G3 incorporates the strength of single and double extruder printers to overcome issues other models could not, creating efficient printing experiences. Lugo G3 is not just a new version of the old model. It is the next step of 3D printing technology. Lugo G3's DCH hot end uses a dual nozzle and a single heat block. This system places the nozzles accurately in their desired location without the long calibration process. DCH hot end's design controls temperature by detaching the nozzle physically from the heat block, making the process much quicker and hassle-free. Also, each nozzle can be set at different temperatures to print two materials simultaneously. Lugo G3's unique purge box mechanism eliminates the need for a wipe tower, saving time, space, and materials while enhancing quality and stability. This is the filament dry box. It prevents contamination from external moisture and dust. In addition, it maintains the best condition in a whole printing process. The powerful air ventilation system is equipped to ensure safer and enhanced printing environment. We believe that the essence of a desktop 3D printer is various materials, simple use for makers. Lugo G3 is the very professional desktop 3D printer.